I like to teach you walking meditation. Normally, after a long time meditating, if you do walking meditation, also really helps. Special if you sit too long, then when you walk, feeling really good. So sometimes I meditate, like I went to the mountain, Himalaya mountains to do retreat. So sometimes I sit too long, then I come out of my cave or the retreat house. Sometimes I get smaller house, so I come out and I walk. So while walking, you can aware of movement of your body, like the feet, walking right, left. You're just aware of that, or you're just aware of any sensation in your body. And also, when you walk, then the air touch to your body. So there's a cooling sensation, or sometimes warm sensation, or sometimes tactile. So anything happen in your body, explain in your body. You're just aware of it, and then continue to walk. So you just walk naturally. You don't need to walk very slow also, or you don't need to walk very fast. Just be natural and you just walk. So mind and body together. So awareness of the body is like you sit still and bring awareness into the body. But then you can do the same thing while walking. Bring your mind into the body. Mind, body together. So this walking meditation is really benefit, special, like it helps to integrate meditation in everyday life. Sometimes, of course, you can meditate in everyday life while you're walking or different places, but it's quite difficult. Certainly you can meditate like that. So sitting meditation is quite easy. But then walking meditation is sometimes a little bit difficult than sitting, but not chaos like everyday life. So in between. So this is really benefit for kind of like conjunction between sitting and the everyday life. So this is finished now.